Hello. Let's talk about fire. Forest fire burning in my county. Nebo. I don't live in Nebo. It's on the other side of the county. Shit. Caused by, like they said, lightning strikes.
Talk, Gil.
It's burned 20 acres over the weekend. They're closely monitoring it. Temporarily closed the section of the Mountains to Sea Trail between the footbridge over the North Fork of the Catawba River and Dobson Knob Road. It was reported on the 17th. It was burning adjacent to multiple prescribed burn areas that have recently been treated, which will limit the fire's ability to spread rapidly. However, without significant rain, the fire could potentially burn for several days. Members of the public near the communities of Woodlawn, Sevier, and those traveling along State Highway 221 can expect to see and smell smoke. The heaviest smoke likely to occur in the afternoons when temperatures are high and humidity low. The cause of the fire was likely lightning from recent strong thunderstorms, though it remains under investigation. 5 personnel are currently assigned to the fire. Cooperating agencies include the NC Forest Service and NC Wildlife Resource Commission. I found this. Where is it? Will El Nino trigger extreme wildfire season? That's from May. Let's see, we got that burning in California. Unless it's been put out already, I don't know. I haven't checked it. Let's see. This is Western U.S. bracing for another season of monster wildfires. El Nino has kicked into gear and added its weird weather to the mix. It could be a blessing, bringing rain to California. And what's the world's oldest wildfire been burning for 5,500 years? Okay. Broken link, maybe. Some of the models have it developing into a strong El Nino event. I'll leave a link to this shit. Then see, I found this shit from 1874. USGS, Volcanoes in History. There's one in Georgia, Pigeon Mountain, June 20th, 1857. Florida Island, Puget Sound. And then Bald Mountain, North Carolina. Volcano. That was from a Colorado newspaper. I couldn't find nothing local. Let's see. Passengers from the west on this morning's train confirmed the reports of the rumbling noises on the surface and general upheaving of Bald Mountain. People living on and near the mountain are moving, and a heavy volcanic eruption is expected. Reporters left this afternoon for the mountain to view the scene and to ascertain the extent of the eruption. And then the 18th of March, a special from Salisbury, NC, says one report from a scientific source is that the internal noises heard in Bald Mountain resemble those heard in Mount Etna, preparatory to a volcanic eruption. It's heard throughout the county and from a distance of 16 miles extended into the adjoining counties. These sounds are not only heard, but a trembling and reverberation of the earth is felt. No signs of fire or lava have been discovered. Then that's from a New York newspaper. These are. That's from Raleigh. Raleigh NC dispatches say that Bald Mountain in the western part of the state is in a state of volcanic eruption, that houses and cottages on the side at the base have been thrown down. The inhabitants in the locality are terror-stricken and are seeking safety in flight. A thin vapor sinks from the top of the mountain and a low rumbling sounds constantly heard. This is where I used to work. I don't think it's this one, but pretty fucked up. There's another one. It's from the same day. It's from the New York Times. Why the fuck was the New York Times ones up there and not the Colorado? It's weird. Volcanic disturbance in North Carolina. It's from Knoxville, Tennessee. We have no positive information of the volcanic disturbance reported from Raleigh. It's reported from Asheville. See, I didn't even spell fucking Asheville right. Goddamn. That's being between the place and Old Fort. Being that place and Old Fort, and not at the Bald Mountains. Rumbling sounds have been heard and tremors felt frequently during the last 2 or 3 weeks for some distance in that vicinity. And then the reports confirmed. Passengers from... Why the fucking read that up here? It's up here. Fucking map. And there's all of them from the 1800s in other states. I thought that was pretty neat. Well, you know what I mean. Not cool, neat, but interesting, yeah. That's where it gets its name, I reckon. But I think this might be my that. Let's see, here's the local newspaper. Theater gunman's family caught him mentally ill and violent. Ah, of course. And Bald Knob fire still burning. Burnt 40 acres as of yesterday. Married man faces sexual battery charge. He's so fucking funny, hang on. Oh my god. I think I read this one last night anyway, about the man that got the woman's underwear and toothbrush. I think I got to it, I can't remember. That's funny as fuck. But still sick. Museum gussies up for races. Crews repair footbridges. Woohoo! We was there for the gold festival. Damn bridges looked fine to me. The fuck? Man, let's see a picture of Bald Mountain. Bald Knob. Shit. Better hurry, about to run out of time. Oh, it's called Dobsons Knob 2. Excuse me. Whew. Wow, I think I've been there. It's pretty. See? Nice place. Okay. Anywho. Just thought that was interesting. And I was looking for this, that it pulled up that volcano. Anyway, peace, love. See y'all later.